guys, I hope you're doing all well. Today we're going to be learning about packages. We're just going to go through what packages are, an example of packages, and installing pip packages. So if you have any ideas, then please feel free to write them in the comment section down below or email me, and let's get down into the video. So packages are used to organise different files into a set of categories, and they're used to prevent naming conflicts. It's a namespace that organises a set of related classes and interfaces. Most of the modules will be in the same directory. For example, all the books would be in the English directory. As used in previous projects, in a file in a directory must contain the name __init__.py in order to consider it a package. So let's give an example. Imagine you were making a cookbook. I would make a new folder, and I'd call it cookbook right there. And then in the cookbook, I'll make a file and call it __init__.py. Now I'll make another folder in here. Just the init__init__py shows that it's a package. Now in the cookbook, I'm going to make a new folder and call it savoury. And then in this file, I'm also going to make another one called __init__.py. Now let's get into making the actual recipes. So I would make, inside the savoury, I'm going to make a new file called lasagna. I'm going to write .py just to show you it's Python. And inside this, I'm going to write define get _lasagna _info brackets colon, and then I'm going to write print how to make lasagna. I mean, you could obviously write the whole recipe, but this is only to explain what packages are right now. And now I'm going to make another file inside here, and I'm going to call it sushi.py. And in here, I'm going to write define get _sushi_info. And I'm going to write print how to make sushi. Now we have everything in this bit finished. I'm going to make another, just in the main coding thing, I'm going to make a new file, and I'm going to call it main.py. Now in here, this is to show what packages are. I'm going to get all the information put into these. Suppose these are the whole recipes. I'm going to get all the information, and then we're going to put it all inside here to show that the package is a group and organize these files together. So I'm going to write from cookbook, because that's the main name of our folder, from cookbook.savoury import sushi. And then I'm going to write import sushi. Autocorrect. Import sushi. And then I'm going to write from cookbook.savoury import lasagna. Now I'm going to write sushi.get _sushi info, and then lasagna.get _lasagna info. Now, so I'm just going to save all of the work. Save, and save. Just going to save it all. Now when I go to my terminal and I run my script, it's not Python 3 today, Python, and just write, I'm just going to write the main part. It should come up with what was coded into the lasagna and the sushi folder. And there you go, how to make sushi and how to make lasagna. It would be a whole recipe, but this is just to explain what packages are for today. Now we know what packages are, I'll show you how to install pip packages. To install a pip package, all we need to do is type pip install, and today we're just going to do Seaborn, which is just a type of pip package. There's loads of others which you could install. I'm just going to write pip install Seaborn, and it downloads it all. There you go. Just wait a short time, and now there you go. So you can install loads of things from pip, it just depends on what you do want to install, and this will help you with specific stuff you need for the code. But yeah, so that's just an introduction to packages. I hope this helped, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.